This video is brought to you by Altium 365, where the world designs electronics, and Octopart, the fastest search engine for electronic parts.
Silk-to-silk clearance violation. The last error to resolve is the silk-to-silk clearance violation. These are usually caused by a designator being too close to the outline of an adjacent component. Your design may not have any of these violations, but it depends on how close you place the components or if you have already repositioned the designators. Click, hold, and drag a designator to move it. All objects will dim apart from the objects in the component whose designator is being moved. Move that designator to a new location. Designator movement will be constrained by the current snap grid. If it is currently 2 cores, press Ctrl G and enter a new grid value. So reposition any designator that is causing a silk-to-silk violation. In running a design rule check after resolving violations, first, click to save the PCB file locally. Open the Design Rule Checker dialog, click on Tools, then click on Design Rule Check, and make sure that the Create Report File option is enabled on the Report Options page. Click the Run Design Rule Check button, then a new report will be generated and open in a separate document tab. Make sure that it does not contain any rule violations, and if there are violations, back to the PCB document and resolve these violations, then generate the report again. Remove the generated DRC report from the project because it will be generated during the design release process. In the Projects panel, find the report file in the Generated or Documents subfolder, right-click on it, and select the Remove from Projects command. In the Remove from Projects dialog that opens, choose the Delete File option. Then save the PCB and project to the workspace. Then lastly, close the PCB file.